Understanding the phrase, drained, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning channel. In today's video, we are going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, drained. Whether you're an English learner or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive in and explore together. The word, drained, is an adjective, derived from the verb, drain. When something is drained, it means it has been emptied out or exhausted, typically of a liquid or energy. Imagine a bathtub full of water. When you pull the plug, the water flows out, and eventually, the tub is left empty. Similarly, a person can feel drained after a long, tiring day at work, meaning they feel completely exhausted and out of energy. Drained can be used in various contexts, and understanding these will help you grasp the full range of its meanings. Physical exhaustion. After running the marathon, Emily was completely drained and couldn't move an inch. Emotional exhaustion. Dealing with the constant stress at work left him feeling drained and depressed. Resources being depleted. The long drought had drained the water supply in the village. Draining a liquid. Make sure to drain the pasta after boiling it. Understanding synonyms can help you use drained more effectively. Here are some synonyms and examples. Exhausted. She was exhausted after the intense workout. Depleted. The coal reserves are now nearly depleted. Sapped. His energy was sapped after the long journey. We've covered quite a bit today. We delved into the meaning of drained, looked at various contexts in which it can be used, and explored some synonyms. Remember, understanding the nuances of a word can greatly enhance your communication skills. We hope this video has shed some light on the topic and added a valuable word to your English vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.